At the heart of the new 718 models is Porsche's newly designed turbocharged flat-4 engine, available in two displacements, at 2.0 litres and 2.5 litres. The same units should eventually make their way into the Macan sub. In the base 718 Boxster, the 2.0-litre unit produces 300 PS, 296 HP, and 380 Nm, 280 pounds-foot, of peak torque, available from 1,950 RPM to 4,500 RPM, representing gains of 35 HP and 100 Nm, 74 pounds-foot, respectively, over the naturally aspirated 2.7-litre flat-6 it replaces. When combined with the optional PDK dual-clutch transmission and the Sport Chrono package, the base 718 Boxster sprints to 100 km per hour in 4.7 seconds, shaving 0.8 seconds from its predecessor, while topping out at 275 km per hour, 171 miles per hour. The 718 Boxster S gets the larger displacement 2.5-litre 4 featuring a turbocharger with a variable turbine geometry that's rated at 350 PS, 345 HP, and 420 Nm, 310 pounds-foot, from 1,900 RPM to 4,500 RPM, offering an increase of 35 HP and 60 Nm, 44 pounds-foot, respectively, over the 3.4-litre naturally aspirated flat-6 of the previous Boxster S. According to Porsche, when paired to the PDK transmission and the Sport Chrono kit, this model hits 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, in 4.2 seconds, 0.6 seconds faster, and reaches a top speed of 285 km per hour, 177 miles per hour. The new engines are not only more powerful, but also more efficient, with Porsche claiming fuel economy improvements of up to 13%. Both versions come with a standard 6-speed manual, with Porsche adding that the updated and optional PDK dual-clutch transmission now features the brand's fuel-saving virtual gears that allows the system to partially engage to adjacent gears to create an intermediate gear to further improve fuel efficiency at cruising speeds. Porsche says it has also modified the chassis with a retuned suspension to accommodate the new engines and keep its weight distribution, and a new electromechanical power steering that is now 10% more direct. Those looking for better handling can opt for the Porsche Active Suspension Management (PASM) that includes a 10mm reduction in ride height. On the design front, Porsche says that the 718 Boxster was completely revised except for the luggage compartment lids, the windscreen and the convertible top, though you might be hard-pressed to tell all the changes without actually comparing it with the outgoing Boxster. On the outside, the 718 variant looks sharper and has more contemporary details, like the new head and tail lamp fixtures, while inside, the Germans gave it a revised steering wheel and the latest general of their PCM infotainment system, complete with a new touchscreen. In the States, the new 718 Boxster models will arrive in showrooms in June, with the base model priced from $56,000 and the S variant from $68,400, excluding the $1,050 destination charge.